Hello, this is Arifa Khan from SIRTS College, Sage Group Bhopal, and today's discrete structure topic is set theory and the subtopic is relation. And the definition of relation is: let A and B are two sets, then a relation R from a set A to set B is a subset of A cross B. Or in mathematically we have to write R such that A to B, where R is any relation and A be any set and B is the another set. So R such that A to B, if and only if, this is the sign of if and only if and only if R is the subset of A cross B. And the meaning of A cross B is R is equal to AB. AB means A and B, where A, this small a, is the element of capital A, means this is A belongs to A, and this B, this small b, is belongs to B. So the relation is R is equal to, in bracket, AB such that, this is the sign of such that, A related to B. Okay, and where A is the element of A, that means A belongs to A, and B is the element of B, that means B belongs to B. Okay, now for example, if we have two set A and B and we have A is equal to ABC, this is the element of set A, and B be the another set with the elements R, S, T. So by the definition of relation, we can write R is equal to, so here the set is A and this is the set B. So the relation from the element of A to the element of set B. So we have right, if we suppose we get here, we consider A, so the first relation, this A with RST, so we get AR. Again, for A, the second relation is AS. Okay, and the third relation is AT. Okay, and अगर हमने दूसरा एलिमेंट लेना है यहाँ से B, सो द रिलेशन इज BR, ओके, BS and BT. Okay, and if we get third element C, then the relation is CR, CS and CT. ओके तो क्या हुआ कि सेट ए के एलिमेंट्स और सेट बी के एलिमेंट्स का आपस में जितने भी पेयर्स बनते हैं वो सारे के सारे रिलेशन कहलाते हैं. सो इन मैथमेटिकली वी राइट R is equal to AB such that A related to B for all A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Now the second definition of relation is domain and range of a relation. So what is domain? Suppose R be any relation from a set A to a set B, है ना. अगर R कोई relation है from a set A to set B, okay, if R be any relation, then the set of all first components of the ordered pair which belongs to R is called the domain of R, and the set of all second components of the ordered pair which belongs to R is called the range of R. For example, लास्ट हमने जैसे ये स्लाइड देखी थी बेटा, तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास में जैसे ये रिलेशंस हमें मिले थे, so the first component of all the ordered pair, that means here A, B, C, again A, B, C, 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 C. So the first component of ordered pair है ना. तो जितने भी फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट बनते हैं, जैसे यहाँ से हमको A मिलता है, यहाँ से हमें B मिलता है, and we get C, again we get A, B, C, है ना, then C, C, C. So these are the domain, and range is the second component of the pair, that is this R, 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 again फिर S, 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 R, S, T. तो ये जो सेकेंड कंपोनेंट्स हैं उसको हम the second component is called the range of R, and the first component of all the ordered pair is called the domain of R. And in mathematically we represent domain, the definition of domain, that is domain of R is equal to A such that AB belongs to R, okay, and the range of R is equal to B such that ordered pair AB and which belongs to R. Okay, again देखें the example for domain and range. Now if we have a set A with elements 2, 4, 5, and if we have second set B with the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and a relation R which is defined as x divides y, okay, x divides y, relation is defined as x divides y, and A is equal to 2, 4, 5 and B is the set which contain the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Then the relation, तो रिलेशन क्या होगा बेटा, सेट ए का एक एलिमेंट 2 है जिन्हें हमने सेट बी के एलिमेंट्स के साथ में रिलेट करना है, एंड द रिलेशन इज़ एक्स डिवाइड्स वाई. तो जो हमें ऑर्डर्ड पेयर मिलेंगे, वी गेट द ऑर्डर्ड पेयर 2, 2, ओके, बिकॉज द रिलेशन इट डिवाइड्स. सो 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 4, 4 and 4, 8. So the domain means first component of all the ordered pair, that is 2, 2, 2, 2, okay, this 2 and 4, 4. So the domain is 2 and 4, and the range is the second component. So the second component 2, 4, 6, 8, 4, 8 is repeated value. So the range is 2, 4, 6, 8. सो अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा, हमने पढ़ा कि रिलेशन क्या होता है और उसके बाद उसकी डोमेन एंड रेंज कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ओके, अब हम आपसे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आपसे बेटा और आगे की डेफिनेशंस में आपके साथ हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे. ओके.